You ready, bro? You ready? Let's go.
Starting off, kind of rainy.
Feeling good, grateful, excited. I think this weekend's gonna be powerful, filled with a lot of medicine. The beautiful thing about this trip is that there were individuals that came out to Mexico to do this work that I've mentored for years, and they flew out from different parts of the world to come and experience this beautiful service trip.
Feeling good, a little bit delayed, but sometimes life throws some challenges and changes, but we flow with it. We out here with the family. First time meeting Fidel in person.
Long time coming,
brother.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Couldn't miss this for the world.
Yes.
And it was amazing to have the opportunity to share this space with them. Yeah, I just want to welcome you guys. I know last night was crazy. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Super blessed, super grateful. Thank you, brother. First day, cold plunging, starting the day off right.
Ready, man?
I'm ready.
We got this. It's all good.
There's something special that happens when we come together like this and do something challenging and break through together. All right, day one in Mexico. We just got done with this cold plunge, feeling ecstatic, ready for the weekend, ready to serve. Community of just like-minded people coming together to do this great work. So we're on our way to the build site right now. Got everyone in the van. Super excited to meet the family. It's a beautiful young couple with a daughter that we're gonna be building for on this trip, and heart is open. Did a cold plunge this morning. We're feeling awake, feeling alive, present.
Nunca pensé que sí fuera realidad, ¿verdad? Pero estoy bien agradecida porque es un hogar para, más que nada para mi hija, para nosotros. Ahorita que se viene el clima, pues el frío, porque en las noches pues sí pasa uno frío. Y pues estoy agradecida a cada uno, de verdad, de corazón, que por así, muchas gracias.
All right, so we just arrived to the build site, getting ready to, well, first and foremost, it's raining right now. This entire trip has been a huge test. Weather's unexpected, but we're together. We're here doing this great work. Beautiful family that just was introduced to us, so we're super excited. Their hearts are so full. They express their gratitude for us being here.
And you tell me that you're doing fine. Morning color lights up.
I'm doing amazing. The rain has stopped, so it feels good. It's not as cold, and we're not going to get soaking wet, so that's a nice thing.
Grateful to be here with my brother right here.
That's right.
What we doing?
Good, bro. Putting some siding in. Put the outside of the walls of the house, so that way they can secure it and be warm.
All right, so we're in front of the current family's house right now. We're gonna come on and check out kind of just the condition that they live in. Floors are pretty much just shingles. This is a family of 3. This is their bed to the right. Pretty much their kitchen where they cook their food. Very small, tight space. Just wanted to give you a tour about, you know, what their current condition looks like in the property that they're living in right now. It's very humbling conditions, to say the least. So we just arrived at a local orphanage here in Mexico. We really enjoy bringing first-time builders here to Mexico to come and experience this orphanage filled with some beautiful young men and women. We love to play sports.
I get deep in with
About to get ready to play soccer, baby. Let's go.
so, man.
Unfortunately, we lost the soccer game, but beautiful time to spend with the kids. It's just beautiful to be out in Mexico. Grateful to be out here and do this work, and yeah, it's just an amazing time.
Ice plunge. Check it out. Day 2, baby. Another cold plunge. Do challenging stuff in the morning. Get you set up for the day. Beautiful people, ready to go, ready to start the day. This is how to start a day for sure. Let's go, Camilo.
It's amazing to see just how quickly a bond can be formed amongst individuals that have the same vision, the same heart, the same intention, holding the same prayer to come together. All right, day 2, we're back here on the build site, here to finish up the home. We've got the roof up, the panels on the roof up. We're getting ready to paint.
It's beautiful, honestly. I feel like I'm giving back to my people, which I am. I'm Mexican descent, you know? So it's beautiful to be in my homeland and making a difference.
This is more of the challenging part of the reality of what's going on down there in Ensenada, Mexico. This is a migrant camp that we often visit, and these families and these children are living quite literally in the most humbling conditions that I've ever experienced and seen myself. And although there's so much joy and lightness on these children's faces, the truth is they live in below substandard conditions, quite literally in horse stables. And when we go out here and we experience this, we're flooded with so many different emotions: sadness, anger. So many tears are shed, and when we get a chance to experience the reality of what these children are living, it breaks our heart. All right, we're officially at the tail end of day 2. Sun is going down. The home is pretty much already finished. Tomorrow we'll be dedicating the home to this beautiful family. It'll finally bury their home. Their beautiful daughter will finally have a home to grow up in, safe from the cold. Just feeling so grateful to be around people like this, willing to commit their time and their energy to do this work. My heart is so full. My soul feels so nourished being a part of this work. I not only wanted to create an experience like a service trip where we're going out here to Mexico to build a home for a family, but I knew since the first time that I got introduced to Prosperity Homes and this service work that within this trip, within this experience, we're served so much more in return. And I feel that God placed me on this earth to be able to create containers for people to come together and to experience something special that awakens some type of remembrance inside of them of why we're here. This trip did just that. You know, people had the opportunity to open their hearts up and be vulnerable and let go of things that they may have been holding on to for a long time.
Stand still. Time unwinds its coil.
So not only did we get a chance to experience the transformation of a fire ceremony, but I also gave everyone an opportunity the next morning to come together and experience a transformational breathwork session. And I noticed really quickly that coming out to the build, A lot of people are coming from busy lives where they have so many different responsibilities and distractions. And the one thing I love about bringing people into this particular space, especially through a breathwork session, is it gives us an opportunity to slow down, to really be honest with ourselves about the things that we have been hiding from at an internal level.
Everything passing and changing.
All right, we're at day 3, final day here in Mexico. We are moments away from dedicating this beautiful new home to this beautiful family. We're so excited. Our hearts are so open. This weekend has been so transformative, and all the hard work is going to pay off when we have an opportunity to get these keys here and hand them over to this beautiful, deserving family. We're so excited for this. I feel like this work not only provides these families with a home, but it provides them with hope for humanity. And it reminds them that there's actually individuals out there that care, that love, and that want to give back in a way that's real and genuine and authentic.
Que la propia familia no es la familia todos los amigos, todos ustedes compañeros. Y yo les quiero agradecer de corazón y disculpen por no darles muchas cosas de mi parte, ¿no? Pero aquí voy a estar y aquí voy a vivir y aquí los espero a cada uno cuando vengan aquí, lleguen a esta humilde casa. Aquí los voy a esperar con un vasito de agua, aunque sea, pero de corazón.